This lovely two-story home is located on a corner lot along Rock Lodge Road at Deep Creek Lake. Close by is deeded lake access with a newly replaced dock. With 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a spacious garage, this well-maintained home has recently had the driveway paved and deck stained. The deck wraps around 3 sides of the house and provides nice views. The main level is inviting with wooden walls, beams, and original natural stone. The kitchen-dining combo makes great use of the space. The sizable living room has soft carpet and doors that lead to the deck. Plenty of windows let natural light through and give great views of the exterior. The master suite is spacious with carpet, a ceiling fan, and a private full bathroom. The main level also has another bedroom and a full bathroom. The large lower level could be a bedroom, a family room, or anything you desire. There is exterior access, a charming gas fireplace, and a full bathroom. This property is centrally located to all that Deep Creek has to offer: Wisp Resort, delicious restaurants, Deep Creek Lake State Park, and many fun activities. Contact Tira Crawford today for more information and to schedule a showing.